In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Messenger app not opening. Ensure that your Messenger app is up to date with the latest version. To begin, open the settings menu and select Quiet Time. Make sure that both options are disabled. Then, return to the settings and navigate to App Management and select Installed. Locate the Messenger app and clear its cache. Next, access the additional settings by scrolling down and selecting Backup and Reset. Confirm that the Backup My Data option is toggled on. Proceed to Notifications and Status bar and tap on Manage Notifications. Locate the Messenger app and ensure that Allow Notifications is enabled. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try the following steps. Go back to App Management and choose Installed. Find the Messenger app again and clear its data. Once done, uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it. If the problem persists, you can try using an older version of the Messenger app. Simply tap on the provided link in the description box below. Rest assured, it will not cause any harm to your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.